So welcome back to my channel, you guys. I feel like I haven't filmed in forever, y'all. Like, life is just crazy. I know I always say that, but life is just, that's just what it is. I don't know what to say, but you guys know what I mean, okay? But I do have my hot new product video. Now, when I go ahead and do this video, I noticed like in the first 2 hours or something like that, I get like a few dislikes because people think I actually went ahead and bought these products and I have it in my hand. These are just products that I want to go ahead and buy, or I'm thinking about buying. I want to see you guys' opinion on it also. So heads up, it's not that I have these products. I'm not clickbaiting, I'm not doing any of that. I'm just saying these are the products I wish to buy, and if you guys want to buy it, go ahead and let me know down below. But if y'all want to stick around and see what these products are, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so the first one I do have is a Kylie Cosmetics 21 birthday collection, and she has so many things in here, you guys. Eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, highlighters, and so on. But for me, the main focus is the eyeshadow palette. Now, when I first saw this, I was like, whoa, this is different than what you normally see out there. I think all the pinks and blues and purples and the neutral section she does have in the eyeshadow palette is just very different and unique. But at the same time, y'all, I went ahead and scrolled and I saw the price. It said $65. That's how much I paid for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, which is a lot of money. I don't know what I was thinking back then, but $65 for Kylie Cosmetics is a little bit too high. I do feel like it should have been around like $50 to $55. So I don't know what they were thinking there. But I do like the palette. I do like the colors, but $65 is just kind of making me on the fence about it. But yeah, let me know down below what you're gonna do, because some people are gonna go ahead and buy it and pay that price. But for me, I'm just like, I don't know, like, is it worth it? So moving on to her sister, I do have the KKW Classic Collection, and it does have eyeshadows, lipsticks, and lip liner. Now, a lot of people are saying that it just looks like a very basic palette, like there's nothing special about it. But with me, I do love neutrals. I do love it. No matter how many palettes that comes out that has neutral shades, I'm still like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I can't help it. But I'm not sure how much it was priced, but I don't think it's too high. But at the same time, is it something I need? Not necessarily, but if you want to go ahead and get it because you like collecting eyeshadow palettes, go ahead and do so. But I am trying to stick to what I need, not what I want, because I do have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I really don't need another neutral palette. But if the formula is really nice, I may go ahead and get it. I don't know yet. And the lipsticks also, I heard, are very creamy and moisturizing. And her lip liners, the price wasn't too high. The lip liners were around $12 to $14, which I think pretty affordable. So this one too, I'm also kind of on the fence. So yeah, we shall see. So this next one is a Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and the shades, y'all, the shade is just beautiful. I love all the ranges. They have a very light concealer, a very dark concealer. Like, they have every single skin tone in here. I love it. So happy for it. I haven't tried the foundation out at all. I don't have a lot of Cover FX products, to be honest. But at the same time, the concealer just looks so different, so unique, and very inclusive, and it just makes me want to go ahead and buy it. It does say it comes in 30 shades and it's $30 each, which is not a bad price. So the the Too Faced concealer I do like, but it's not my favorite concealer. So if I go ahead and try this out, hopefully I do love it. All right, so this next one I'm pretty excited about because it's the NYX Cosmetics times Alyssa Ashley Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Matte Foundation. The shades, y'all, the shades are so beautiful to look at. Now, when it comes to being inclusive, a lot of people want to talk about dark skin tones and so on, but I also think about the people who are pale, because a lot of foundations out there, you guys, is very orange on their skin tone, a little bit too dark for them. But this has a very nice shade, and I'm just so excited because it looks so good. It looks very promising, and I think it's going to be a really good foundation because Alyssa Ashley, I just know she's a very hard worker, and I feel like whatever she does, she puts her all into it. So I am so excited. I'm pretty sure I'm going to go ahead and love it. Expect a review soon. I'm not sure when, because it does come in stores August 16th, but they did a pre-release yesterday, so I may go ahead and get it before it sells out. So the next one is the Anastasia times Norvina eyeshadow palette, and to be honest, you guys, when I first saw this, I wasn't that excited. It had a lot of purples in there, a little bit of bronzy shades and pinks, but for me, I love warm shades. I love oranges, reds, and so on. So basically, it's a preference, but at the same time, I've seen the shadow in person, you guys, and it's very creamy. It blends well, it applies well, so I do think it's a good palette. But regardless, shout out to Norvina, because I know whatever she puts out, she puts her all into it, so I do give her credit for that. So back in the day, every single YouTuber used to go ahead and wear the XC1 foundation. Oh no, y'all, I'm probably butchering this right now. I can never say the name correctly, so I'm not gonna play myself. but they used to go ahead and wear this foundation all the time, and I always wanted to go ahead and try it out, but they didn't have it in my skin tone. So they did go ahead and come out with darker shades, and I know it's a little bit too late, but at the same time I'm gonna give them an A for effort. I just really want to go ahead and see what the hype is about, because a lot of people said it made their skin look flawless, very glowy, and so on. So I want to see what it looks like on my skin. Now I don't know if they have this in stores or only online, and I'm not sure where they would have it online, but just go ahead and type in the name of the foundation and it should come up. Y'all, I almost forgot about the most important product, and this is a beauty blender foundation. All right, let's go ahead and talk about it. Now, when I first saw it on Trend Mood, I was like, you know what, the shades probably look a little bit lighter. There probably is a lot of darker shades, we just can't tell from the picture and so on, till I saw the Jackie video, and I was like, you know what, this is terrible. Out of all the shades they had, you guys, there's only 4 dark shades. 4. And I was so sad, because you know what, this foundation was so innovative and so different from what's out there. Like, the idea was just so different and unique, but they had to go ahead and do this, and I just feel like, you know what, it could have went so far. They could have really done a great job with this foundation if everything went accordingly. But I don't know how to feel. I know if they do come out with a darker foundation and darker shades, to be honest with myself, I will still go ahead and try it out, because being a makeup lover, I want to go ahead and try everything out there. That way when somebody asks me, I can be like, you know what, it's good, it's bad, and so on. So I do feel like if they do come out with darker shades, I will still go ahead and try it out, but I'm just a little bit disappointed because I want to go ahead and try it out now, and we have to wait a little bit longer. So yeah, I just want to go ahead and talk about it in the video, because a lot of people have been asking me about my opinion on the foundation. But I'm just really sad, because they really could have done a great job, y'all. Like, the foundation, the idea, the creativity behind it was just so different and unique, and it had potential, and it just didn't deliver. So yeah, all right, so I think that's everything I have for you guys. I do hope you enjoyed this short little video. Now I just want to go ahead and just start posting a bunch of videos, y'all. Like, I'm tired of slacking. Like, life is just crazy, but still, like, I love talking to you guys. When I don't post, I just feel so weird and so cringy. Like, I'm just like, I have to post something. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start posting a lot more, and I love you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.